Hello, Kids Can friends. It's Miss Emily here again. I've got a fun science experiment for us. We are gonna do the rainbow walking water experiment. So we're gonna play with some water and some colors. But before we get started, let's go over our warm colors and our cool colors. So our warm colors are red, orange, and yellow. And our cool colors are green, blue, and purple. And together, those make up the colors of our rainbow. So we're gonna take a look at that today through our experiment. So what you're gonna need is 7 clear cups, or if you wanna use a clear jar, you can also do that too. 7 clear cups. You're gonna need some water. You're gonna want 6 paper towels, and then food coloring. You're gonna need red, yellow, blue, and purple. So before we get started, we gotta fold up our paper towels. So every paper towel is gonna be folded 1 time hot dog style and another time hot dog style, and then you're gonna fold it in half. So that way it looks like this. So go ahead and do that for the rest of your 6 paper towels. All right, I've got my 6 paper towels folded, so I'm ready to fill my cups with water. We are not gonna fill up every single cup with water. We're gonna fill up every other. So I have 7 cups right here, so 4 cups are gonna get about the same amount of water. Next, we're gonna put the food coloring in the cups that have water. I'm gonna start with red. Go ahead and give those a good stir. All right, now comes the fun part. We're going to place 1 paper towel into the water that has the coloring and 1 side in the empty cup. 1 tip in the water, 1 side in the empty cup. And we're gonna continue that all the way down the line. 1 side in the water, 1 side in the empty cup. All right, now you just gotta watch and observe what happens. Now, this is a very sped up video of the first half of the process for my experiment, but I ended up leaving it overnight. You should do the same. But you can see that the water is slowly moving through the paper towels. The water is moving because of a process called capillary action. Capillary action is when liquids move through tubes or something that is full of little holes. Other examples of capillary action are when you leave a sponge in a puddle. The sponge will eventually soak up the water because the little holes or bubbles are acting like small straws. Also, plants use capillary action to get water from the ground that will then move up through the roots against gravity to the plant. If you wanted this experiment to go a little bit quicker, you could always cut your paper towels in half before you get started. That way there's less material for the water to walk through. How cool is that? The little bit of science magic and that capillary action. Our water walked all the way through those paper towels and made this beautiful rainbow. We saw some mixing colors happen because if you remember, this cup, and this cup were all empty. Now that red and our yellow mixed together to make orange, yellow and blue mixed together to make green, and then our blue and our purple mixed to just make this cool color. I hope you had as much fun with this experiment as I did. See you next time.